support that they've shown his family in the last year. And if you don't know the story, 3 or 4 days after Fulda Gap last year, his daughter, his then 12-year-old daughter, was diagnosed with cancer. And that'll put a real damper on your Christmas. And from that moment on, the paintball community just really stepped up, and hundreds of people supported an email. And most recently, they did the Chili's pepper thing. And thanks to all of you guys. Amanda's pepper won, but we're on a personal note. We're all out here trying to be tough and strong. And his wife Tracy, and where's Amanda? Right here. Come on up here. I know you guys are all tough and strong. This little girl right here is tougher than all of you. Smoked the competition thanks to you guys.
Thank you very much, guys.
And completely separate from that, I got one thing to say to NATO. 4 words. It's about damn time.
Hey, Paul, weren't you Warsaw last year?
Capitalism wins again.
All right, so.